Welcome. If you want to enable notifications from users with unverified emails on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC and the latest update, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you how to adjust your settings so you never miss a notification from anyone, even if they haven't confirmed their email address. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log in to your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of the screen and find the More icon. Click on it to expand the menu. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control all aspects of your X experience. Now click on Privacy and Safety. This section covers everything related to your account's privacy and how you interact with others on the platform. Under Privacy and Safety, look for the option labeled Mute and Block. Click on it to proceed. Inside Mute and Block, you'll see several options for managing what you see and hear on X. Find and click on Muted Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune which types of notifications you receive. In the Muted Notifications section, you'll notice a list of filters that control notifications from certain users. Look for the checkbox next to who haven't confirmed their email. If this box is checked, you won't get notifications from users with unverified email addresses. To start receiving notifications from these users, simply uncheck the box. This change will immediately allow notifications from anyone, regardless of whether they've confirmed their email. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you'll ensure your notifications are as open and inclusive as possible, helping you stay connected with a wider range of voices and conversations on X. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for customizing your X experience. Stay connected and enjoy exploring everything X has to offer.